In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple headers in Wix Studio. If you're looking to enhance your website's layout with dynamic and varied headers, then you're in the right place. We'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that you feel confident and comfortable navigating Wix Studio by the end. We'll begin by heading over to the Wix Studio platform, specifically engineered for agencies and enterprises. Open your web browser and navigate to the Wix website. Once there, you'll want to look for the option to log in, typically found in the upper corner of the homepage. Clicking on login will prompt you to sign into your existing account. If you haven't set one up yet, I recommend doing so before continuing with this tutorial. After clicking login, you'll be presented with several options to sign in. Here you should choose continue with Google as a seamless way to access your account. This method is not only quick but also secure, allowing you to move forward without the hassle of remembering additional passwords. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself at the dashboard. This is your control center, providing you access to all the tools you'll need. Now let's add those headers to your site. Locate the plus icon in the editor. It's usually nestled nicely at the left side of your screen. Clicking on this icon will open up a variety of options. From here, you'll want to click on Sections. This feature will allow you to add new components to your website. Look for a category named Headers. Within this section, you'll see a multitude of header options available to you. Each one is designed with a unique look and feel, tailored for different website needs. Go ahead and select the header you wish to add. Feel free to preview a few to see which suits your aesthetic best. Now comes the creative part. Click on the header you've chosen and drag it over to your website layout. Wix makes it intuitive by enabling simple drag and drop functionality. This allows you to position your header exactly where you need it without any fuss. And there you have it, you've just added a new header to your Wix website. Remember, you can use this process to add as many headers as you like, tailoring each one to different pages or sections of your site. This versatility is one of Wix's many strengths, allowing you to create a dynamic and engaging user experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this walkthrough has been helpful in making your Wix site even more impressive. Don't forget to experiment and have fun while building your site. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy designing!